In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a silhouette from an image in Adobe Illustrator step by step. This is a super useful technique for logos, posters, t-shirt designs, social media graphics, and so much more. The best part is you don't need any advanced drawing skills because we'll be using Illustrator's built-in image trace tool to do most of the work for us. Make sure to watch until the end so you get a clean, professional silhouette without unwanted background details. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Once you're inside your workspace, the first step is to place your image into Illustrator. Go to the top menu and click File, then choose Place. Locate the image you want to turn into a silhouette, select it, and click Place. Click on your artboard to insert the image at its full size, or click and drag to scale it as you place it. Now that your image is on the artboard, click on it to make sure it's selected. This is important because the image trace options will only appear when the image is selected. Next, go to the top menu and click Window, then choose Image Trace. This will open the Image Trace panel. In this panel, you'll see different preset options. For creating a silhouette, we want strong contrast with solid black shapes, so under Preset, choose Black and White Logo. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will automatically convert your image into a black and white traced version. At this point, your image might not look perfect yet, and that's completely normal. The key setting you need to adjust is the threshold slider. The threshold controls how much of the image becomes black versus white. If you increase the threshold, more areas will turn black. If you decrease it, fewer areas will be black. Slowly move the slider until your subject looks solid and well-defined. The goal here is to make your main subject completely filled in while minimizing unwanted gaps. Once you're happy with the basic black and white result, click on the Advanced section in the Image Trace panel to refine it further. Here you'll see options for paths, corners, and noise. Increase the path slider to a medium or slightly high value to improve the accuracy of the shape. Set corners to a medium value to keep important edges sharp without making the shape too jagged. Then increase the noise slider to remove small details and speckles. This helps eliminate tiny imperfections and keeps your silhouette clean and bold. Take a moment to adjust these settings until your silhouette looks smooth and solid. When you're satisfied with the result, go to the top toolbar and click Expand. This step is very important because it converts the traced image into editable vector shapes. Now that the image is expanded, it's no longer a trace effect. It's made up of vector paths. To separate the elements, go to the top menu, click Object, and then choose Ungroup. This allows you to select individual pieces of the traced artwork. After ungrouping, click on the background areas, usually the white parts, and press Delete on your keyboard. Continue selecting and deleting any unwanted white shapes until only your main subject remains. You should now see a transparent background with just your silhouette. Finally, select the remaining shape. Go to the fill color in the toolbar or properties panel and set it to solid black. Of course, you can choose any color you like depending on your design, but black is the classic silhouette style. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean, scalable silhouette in Adobe Illustrator using Image Trace. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for turning photos into bold graphic shapes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.